Let me show you something. If I told you that this runway video with a confident African mother and her daughter walking like luxury models was never filmed, would you believe me? No camera crew, no fashion designer, no models, no studio lighting. And here's what makes it crazier. I decided what they wore after the image was already created. Yes, I changed their outfits without touching their faces. And in a few minutes, I will turn a still image into a cinematic runway walk. Most people think videos like this require expensive software, animation skills, or some secret editing trick. But the real secret isn't editing, it is prompt control. If you like videos like this, kindly hit on the like button. It helps the algorithm to push these videos to other people who would find this helpful. Meanwhile, I'm Oma and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's dive in. Step 1. You need to think like a fashion director. Before touching any image tool, you need to create a prompt. Not just any kind of prompt. Over here, I pasted my prompt. I said, there is a trending fashion runway video concept featuring a mother and a daughter walking together. The mother is a 39 years old African mother she has a healthy, curvy figure and carries herself with elegance and poise. Her daughter, around 10 to 12 years old, shares a similar healthy build and radiates youthful charm and confidence. Her hair neatly styled, perhaps in soft curls, braid, or playful updo, giving her a polished yet age-appropriate look. They both wear coordinated outfits and walk confidently on the runway, and I would like a detailed description text prompt for these concepts. I hit on send, and ChatGPT generated this prompt for me. Now what I will do is to copy this prompt and head over to my image generation tool. For image generation, I'll be using Google Gemini. Once you open the app, click on create image and then paste your prompt here. Hit on send. And within few seconds, Google Gemini generated this image for me. What do you think about this image? I think this image is cool and I will go for this. I click on the image and click on the save button. Next thing you want to do is to get your fashion inspiration. If there is any outfit that you want your AI models to wear, this is time to get the image. This is what I want my mother and daughter models to wear. To make our AI characters wear a particular outfit, we'll be using this website here called Sjinn AI. Just go to your browser and type sjinn.ai and it brings you to this interface. First of all, you need to log in. This gives you 1,000 credits to generate your images. Click on the tool mode. Here you see list of categories. Select image. Then ensure that the nano banana mode is selected here. Here you see 4 boxes. This is where you upload an image of your AI models and then the image of any outfit you want them to wear. So I've uploaded both images. Down here you paste your prompt and I said make the mother and daughter model in the second image to wear exactly the clothing style in the first image. Don't change the faces of the image 2 models, just change their clothes to that of image 1. This is very important so that the AI doesn't change the face of your models. Select your aspect ratio and ensure that this place is not selected. This is very important when you're using this website for free, okay? Click on generate. Now this is the result I got from this website. click on the image and then click on the download button here to download the image to your gallery. Next thing is to transform this image to a video. Inside this same website, you can convert your images to video. I prefer not to use this website because it will cost me credits as well. So I prefer to go to a different platform. And to convert this image to video, I prefer to use Grok. Now head over to Grok AI. Click on create videos. Click here and then click on animate photo to import your image. Now go down to this box where you have to customize your video. I said make the mother and daughter models to walk majestically on the runway in a natural way. I hit on send. Just in a few seconds, Grok generated this. Now hit on the download button to download this video. You can use these various steps that I've shared in this video to make as many AI models as you want with different outfits. So if you're in the fashion industry, use the steps that I've discussed to start creating stunning AI fashion videos for your brand. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Click on the like button. It helps the algorithm to show this video to other people that might want to see this. Also, don't forget to drop any question you have in the comment section. Also, share the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.